Houston, we have a grave situation unfolding in the kitchen with this plastic wrap. This is supposed to be pulled across the knife here, and this knife then slides and then it cuts it nice. It's okay, it looks like it's working, but not really, because the glue here failed underneath this. So let's fix it. How can we fix failed glue? Not with more glue, maybe with different glue, but you know, I don't have access to different glues. What I do have is tie wire and a tiny drill bit that matches the diameter of that tie wire. So how is this gonna work? Very, very straightforward. You see this is a knife. This knife slides and it stops here where a hole was punched into this track and raised there, and the blue part of this knife on the underside hits this raised plastic piece. So the tie wire, once it's stitched in place or is holding in place, instead of wrapping it around, no, that's not working. It needs to stay underneath this sliding knife. What that means, punching 2 holes into this, say 1 and 2 in the middle, like so. Placing it here, put another 2 holes there, punch the same holes in the cardboard, there, and then grab yourself a side cutters, cut some wire, and start stitching the plastic to the cardboard. There. Repeat on the other side. There, both ends are done. Both ends are equally ugly from the underside. But luckily, the aesthetics of the tie wire stitching has nothing to do with how the roll is fed in through this slot here. Comes out here to the cutting edge there. So you can pull it tight, you can wrap your sandwiches. No, I don't want to waste another piece of plastic. It's obvious that it's staying firmly in place. It's working. Let's have a final look at this. It's obviously functioning. It's sliding above it. The other side also works well enough. So that concludes this misery. It's working well enough. Done.